Why do we yawn? Is it about oxygen or something else? People used to think yawning was just about getting more oxygen, but scientists now say that's not the real reason. One big clue, yawning often happens when we're tired, bored, or overheating. Turns out, yawns might be a natural brain cooling system. Stretching your jaw and sucking in air helps chill your head and keep you alert. Another idea? Yawning is your body's way of shifting gears, like moving from alertness to sleepiness or from rest to focus. So while nobody's 100% sure, yawns probably help cool the brain and reset your state of mind. Next time you yawn, think of it as your brain hitting the refresh button.